So today I'll be showing you how to rename your Samsung Smart TV. Just basically changing the default name to a new name. So what you want to do is from the home screen, just go to settings and then go to all settings. On the all settings window, scroll down to connection and then you should see device name at the top there. Just select that using the selection button on your remote. And then you'll see the default name. Then you can choose user input. And then now you can change the name to something else. So if you want to, you can either add to whatever's already there, or you can delete whatever is there and add your own name. So I'll just add something to mine. Like that. And then I'll go down here and select go. And as you can see, that's going to be my new device name for my Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.